Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. Chapter 2, Playing with Numbers. In our previous session, we have discussed about 4 fundamental operations, mixed operations involving 4 operations together, use of brackets, the BODMAS rule and types of brackets. Today, we will discuss about rules for simplification. Now, students, let's discuss about that. Dear students, now let's discuss rules for simplification. Order of operation. The use of brackets takes us to a new order of operation. The operation inside the brackets comes before the odd mass. There are different types of brackets as we had already discussed. Or you can say the mathematical operation of numbers within the brackets take place first and then the odd mass operation takes place. While doing mathematical operation of the numbers within the brackets, the number under the vernaculum are operated first, then the numbers under the small bracket, curly bracket and square bracket successively. Rule 2. If there is no sign between a number and the bracket, then it is implied that the operation to be performed is multiplication. As you can see it in the example given in the slide, 100 minus 4, square bracket 10 plus curly bracket 50 minus 40, and you are having the bracket close. Now what will we do? We will first solve the curly brackets. That is 50 minus 40. It will be 10. And in the square bracket now 10 plus 10. Now we will solve addition inside the square bracket. That will be 10 plus 10, 20. Now once you can see in the slide 4 multiplied by 20. The bracket 4 and 20 means multiplication. So 4 20s are 80. 100 minus 80, it will be 20. We will do the subtraction at the end and the answer will be 20. Now let's discuss the third rule. When there is a plus sign before a bracket, you can simply remove the bracket. Or you can say, if there is a plus sign before a bracket, we can simply remove the bracket without changing any sign within the brackets. As you can see it in an example, it is given there 7 plus within the bracket 8 minus 3 of 2 bracket close. It means first of all you will solve 3 of 2. Of means multiplication. So 3 of 2 means 3 multiplied 2 equals to 6. This 6 will be subtracted from 8, that is 8 minus 6. On solving the brackets we will get 2. Now this 2 will be added to 7 and you will get 9 as the answer. Now let's see the fourth rule. As you can see, when there is a minus sign before a bracket, then all the sign within the bracket change while removing the bracket. Or you can say, if there is a minus sign before a bracket, all plus signs within the bracket are changed to minus signs and all minus signs within the bracket are changed to plus signs when we remove the bracket. Now let's see in an example given here, you can solve these examples in two ways. As you can see it in the first case, you can see 38 minus, now see in the bracket 17 minus 4 plus 3 bracket close. As you can see here, that minus sign is given before the bracket. Now you can see this sign and all the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Or you can say plus signs within the bracket will change to minus signs and all the minus sign within the brackets are changed to plus signs when we remove the bracket. So it will be 38 minus 17 plus 4 minus 3. On adding 38 plus 4, it will be 42 and when we'll solve, minus 17 and minus 3, as you can say minus minus is plus, so minus 17 and minus 3 will be minus 20, which will be subtracted from 42 and will give answer 20. Or you can do the same the other way as given in case 2. Students, during this session, you came to know about the various concepts of Chapter 2 Playing with Numbers. I hope you are now encouraged to do this chapter step by step according to the videos uploaded and solve the assignments as instructed. So, practice well. All the best.